Want to make YouTube videos without ever showing your face? In today's tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to create faceless content using HeyGen's cutting-edge AI avatars. Let's dive in. Welcome to the future of content creation. If you've ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but felt held back by shyness, a desire for privacy, or simply the lack of expensive camera gear, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into HeyGen, a revolutionary platform that lets you create professional quality videos using hyper-realistic AI avatars. Faceless content is no longer a niche corner of the internet. It's a booming trend. Creators are leveraging this method to maintain anonymity, protect their privacy, and drastically streamline their production workflow. It allows you to focus purely on the quality of your content, your script, your message, and your value. In this full HeyGen tutorial, you're going to learn everything you need to know. We'll cover a complete step-by-step guide to creating your first video with an AI avatar, from script to final export. We'll explore how to input your script, choose the perfect voice, and finally, export a high-quality video ready for YouTube. Plus, stick around for some pro tips to make sure your faceless videos are engaging, professional, and built for audience retention. So, why is faceless content becoming so popular, especially as we look towards 2026? The answer lies in two major cultural and technological shifts: privacy and automation. In an increasingly public digital world, more and more people are seeking ways to share their ideas without putting their personal lives on display. The ability to create YouTube videos without showing your face provides a powerful solution, offering a shield of anonymity that empowers creators to speak on sensitive topics or simply maintain a healthy work-life separation. At the same time, the demand for automation is skyrocketing. Traditional video production is time-consuming and expensive. It requires filming, lighting, audio recording, and hours of editing. HeyGen completely disrupts this model. It solves the problem for creators who are short on time, budget, or technical skills. You no longer need to be on camera for hours. You just need a solid script. We're seeing entire channels, from educational explainers to news summaries and business tutorials, thrive using this faceless model. They prove that you don't need a face to build a loyal community. You need valuable content, and HeyGen is the tool that lets you create it at scale. First things first, let's get you set up on the platform. The journey to create YouTube videos without showing your face begins at the HeyGen website. Getting started is incredibly straightforward. Navigate to their homepage, and you'll see clear options to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. The sign-up process is standard. You can use your email or connect a Google account for even faster access. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a moment to look around. What you'll notice immediately is how clean and intuitive the user interface is. It's designed not to be intimidating, even for absolute beginners who have never used a video creation tool before. On the main dashboard, you'll see your project library, templates, and the key creation tools. Your main navigation panel, usually on the left, will give you access to avatars, voices, templates, and your assets library. Spend a few minutes just clicking around to familiarize yourself with the layout. The platform is built for efficiency, ensuring you can go from idea to finished video with minimal friction. This ease of use is a core reason why HeyGen is a go-to for faceless content. Now, for the fun part, choosing your digital representative. Your AI avatar is the face of your channel, so selecting the right one is crucial for setting the tone and building a connection with your audience. In the HeyGen platform, navigate to the avatar library. You'll be presented with a massive collection of diverse, high-quality AI avatars. They vary in age, ethnicity, style, and profession. Think about your content niche. Are you creating a channel about finance? A polished, professional-looking avatar in business attire would be a perfect fit. If your channel is about wellness or storytelling, a more relaxed and friendly avatar might be more appropriate. HeyGen allows you to filter and search, making it easy to find what you're looking for. But it doesn't stop at just selecting a pre-made avatar. Many of them offer customization options. You can often change their outfits to better match your brand's color scheme or the specific topic of your video. You can also choose from different expressions to ensure the avatar's demeanor aligns with your script's tone. The key is to select an avatar that feels authentic to your message. Your chosen AI avatar will become a consistent, recognizable element of your brand, so choose wisely. With your avatar selected, it's time to give it something to say. The script is the soul of your video, and HeyGen makes it incredibly simple to bring it to life. You'll find a text box or script input area right in the main video creation interface. You have two primary options. You can either type your script directly into the box, or you can copy and paste it from an external document like Google Docs or Word. For longer videos, it's a great practice to break your script down into smaller, more manageable chunks or scenes. Each scene can be a separate paragraph or even a single sentence. This gives you more granular control over the final video, allowing you to change camera angles or background elements between sentences to keep the visual experience dynamic. Now, writing for an AI avatar is slightly different than writing for a human. For the most natural-sounding delivery, use clear, concise sentences. Avoid overly complex sentence structures or slang that the text-to-speech engine might struggle with. If you have a word that the AI consistently mispronounces, you can sometimes spell it phonetically to correct it. A well-written, well-structured script is the foundation of a high-quality, faceless video. After you have finished writing your script, the following step is to choose the appropriate voice for it. There is a vast range of text-to-speech options available through HeyGen, including male and female voices, with a variety of accents and shades of voice. Before deciding which one is the greatest fit for your content, you have the ability to preview each one. Following the selection of a base voice, you have the ability to modify the tempo and pitch of the voice in order to make it sound more natural and to align it with the pacing of your movie. Having audio that is both clear and enjoyable is essential for retaining viewers, so make sure to take your time polishing it. After you have finished configuring your voice, script, and avatar, you can utilize the preview function of HeyGen to check for any timing issues, voice sound matching, or typos before you finalize the project. When you are satisfied with the preview, you may start the high-definition video export by clicking the Submit or Render button for the first time. When uploading to YouTube, select the maximum resolution, often 1080p, and the MP4 storage type. It is important to remember to optimize your video after it has been exported by including a title, description, and tags that are related to the video in order to improve its visibility. It is not enough to simply use text-to-speech technology in order to create a captivating, faceless video. Ensure that your script is engaging by telling a tale, posing questions, and adopting a tone that is conversational. Your content should be enhanced with background visuals such as stock video, photos, and music. And you should change scenes every 10 to 15 seconds in order to keep the pace consistent. When it comes to attracting attention, it is extremely important for faceless channels to have a compelling thumbnail and headline. To what extent does this approach represent the future of content creation? It is about being able to scale and being efficient. Content creation will become more automated as artificial intelligence technology continues to advance, which will enable content providers to manage various channels with less effort. For independent video producers and small businesses that are trying to make high-quality videos in a short amount of time, this is a game changer. In the creator economy, you are putting yourself in a position to be ahead of the curve by embracing artificial intelligence now. In conclusion, this is the comprehensive approach on using HeyGen to create faceless videos for YouTube. Since you now have access to the tools necessary to create compelling material without revealing your face, you can do everything from setting up your account to exporting your video. Please let me know what sort of faceless channel you intend to build after you have tried out HeyGen and experimented with it. Please give this a like and subscribe to receive other content production advice if you found it to be helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel. Keep creating!